Guys, I don't think I can prove that this is the same as this because it doesn't really make sense. How can 2 minus root x all squared all over root x give me this? Oh, I don't think I can do it. Okay, but I know you guys have got me, so let's try something and see if we can get it. So let me rewrite this one here. So it's gonna be 2 minus root x all squared all over root x. So we want to show that this is equal to this. Wow. Okay, let's see. Okay, first of all, I think this square is here. I think we can expand it. I learned that there is a simple way we can do this. When you have like a plus b all square is the same as you square the a plus you square the b, then you have 2 times ab, so plus 2ab. Okay, let's use that and see. Oh, so I can square this and get 2 square plus minus root x all squared, and then I'll have 2 times that times this, so 2 times 2 is 4, and then 4 times that will give you minus 4 root x. Okay, all over root x. Okay guys, let's see. So meaning this is 2 squared is 4, okay, plus negative root x all squared is going to give me x because the square will cancel the square root, and then negative 1 square is the same as 1, okay, and then minus 4 root x all divided by root x. What do I have to do next? We are not getting this. Oh, okay, this divides the whole of this, so I can write it as 4 over root x plus x over root x minus 4 root x over root x. Oh, this can cancel this. Oh, that's good. Okay, so then we have that. But what happens? I'm still not getting it. Okay, let's see. 4 over root x. I remember they said when you have like a square root of a is the same as a to the power half. Okay, so meaning, can I say 4 over x to the power half, then I'll have plus x over x to the power half minus 4. Okay, yeah, let's continue. And also, I remember that when you have like a to the power negative b is the same as 1 over a to the power b. So meaning when I have 1 over a to the power b, I can rewrite it as a to the power negative b, right? Okay, so in that case, since I have this, I can bring it here, but then change the power to negative. Oh, that's good. So I'm going to have 4 times x to the power negative half because I brought the x to the power half here. Okay, then can I do the same thing to this one? Plus x dot. Okay, so when I bring the x to the power half here, the power becomes negative half minus 4. But is it looking like this one? Oh wait, we have negative 4. Yeah, we've got negative 4 here. All right, so that's gonna be okay. So let me bring the negative 4 to that position. 4.x to the power negative half minus 4 plus x dot x to the power negative half. Oh, okay, then from here, okay, so we've got this, right? Oh yeah, and we've got this one too. So we have 4x to the power negative half minus 4 plus x dot x to the power negative half. Okay, let me bring this one down so that we can see it and then compare our answers and see. So let me drag it down. Okay, so we've got this, good, and we also got this. But what about this one? What can we do? Okay, so I think I have it as 4x to the power negative half minus 4 plus, but this is x to the power half. Oh wait, they are multiplying, and I think x is raised to the power 1. So if they are multiplying, you can add the exponent. Okay, so it's gonna be x to the power 1 plus negative half. Oh, so you mean 1 minus half, right? Okay, so that's 1 minus half. Oh, 1 minus half is actually half. Okay, so then it's gonna be 4 to the power x raised to negative half minus 4 plus x to the power half. Oh yeah, okay, so meaning is proved, right? Okay, so therefore we can express this complicated expression in the format which was given, so meaning we are right. So actually maths is not difficult if you follow the steps and the properties and the laws and the rules. You are going to get it. So if you enjoy contents like this, don't forget to leave a like and follow me for more.